secant theta equals to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Okay. Secant theta equals to 13 by 12. See the solution. Secant theta equals to 13 over 12. So secant theta equals to 13 over 12. So secant means what? Hypotenuse by side adjacent to theta. Side adjacent to theta. So hypotenuse is to adjacent equals to 12 is 13 is to 12. Therefore hypotenuse equals to 13k, adjacent equals to 12k, where k is a constant. Now see the now we will find all trigonometric ratios, that means sine, cos, tan. See, already secant is there, cosecant, cot. Okay. Draw a triangle. Right angle triangle. This is the value theta. A, B, C. Angle B is right angle. Okay. So hypotenuse is 13k. Adjacent is 12k. Using this triangle, find the value of AB. That means opposite side. Okay. So from triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees. Okay. By Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Here AC value 13k. Whole square equals to AB value, we don't know, AB square plus BC value 12k square. 13 square value 169, k square equals to AB square plus 12 square value 144, k square. So 169 k square, 144 transpose left side minus 144 k square equals to AB square. So 169 minus 144 is 25 k square equals to AB square. So square transpose right side, square root of 25 k square equals to AB. Therefore AB equals to square root of 25 value 5, square root of k square value k. So AB equals to 5k. So the value of AB is 5k. This is the value 5k. Now we will find all trigonometric ratios. First one is sin theta. Sin theta means side opposite to theta. This is opposite. Okay. Hypotenuse. Remaining is adjacent. Side opposite to theta over hypotenuse. Side opposite to theta is AB. Hypotenuse is AC. AB value 5k, AC value 13k. So k get cancelled, 5 by 13. Okay. Next, second trigonometric ratio is cos theta. Cos theta is side adjacent to theta by hypotenuse. Adjacent to theta is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. BC value how much? 12k. AC value 13k. So k get cancelled, 12 by 13. Okay. Next, tan theta. Tan theta equals to opposite to theta by adjacent to theta. Opposite to theta how much? 5k. Adjacent to theta is 12k. So k get cancelled, 5 by 12. Next, cot theta. Cot theta equals to adjacent to theta by opposite to theta. Adjacent to theta is BC, that is 12k. Opposite to theta is 5k. So k get cancelled, 12 by 5. Next, here already secant theta is there. 13 by 12. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equals to hypotenuse by side opposite to theta. Hypotenuse value how much? 13k. Side opposite theta is 5k. So k get cancelled, 13 by 5.